The Merchant of Venice. Each casket had something written on it. On the gold casket, it was written, "Whoever chooses me shall gain what many men desire." On the silver casket, "Whoever chooses me shall get as much as he deserves." On the casket of lead, "Whoever chooses me must give and hazard all he has." One of Portia's suitors was the Prince of Morocco. He chose the gold casket, but when he opened the casket, the message inside said that it was not the right casket. "All that glitters is not gold." Another suitor, the Prince of Aragon, chose the silver casket, but that too was not the right casket. Bassanio wanted to try his luck with the caskets. To do that, he had to travel to Belmont, where Portia lived on her estate. He needed money for that. When Antonio came to know this, he wanted to help. He told Bassanio to borrow money in his Antonio's name. They went to Shylock, the Jewish moneylender, and asked him for the money. Shylock had a lot of money, but he was not at all generous. Money was all that he cared for. He did not like Antonio because Antonio sometimes lent people money without charging any interest for it. So Shylock decided to take advantage of this situation. He gave them the money on a strange condition. If Antonio failed to return the money within 3 months, Shylock would cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh. Antonio agreed to this and borrowed the money for Bassanio. Bassanio went to Belmont. When he saw the caskets, he chose the lead one. That was the right casket, and Bassanio won Portia's hand by choosing it. Portia too was glad to marry Bassanio. In the meanwhile, Shylock heard that Antonio had lost his ships. He was very happy that Antonio would not be able to pay the money. Next part 3, like, comment and follow. Thank you.